Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, January the 16th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku number 2174. Well, this one, 4 stars. The previous one in 33 minutes. I hope this one will be quicker. This one has, by the way, 25 printed digits. I have already counted. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then, alright. How about the number 5 in this column? In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And look, we have 1 and 8 there, so no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? We have here 1 and 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then. Then. How about Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have 5 in this last column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have one of these 2 boxes is 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 5, 3, 8. Alright, alright, alright. Let me see. 9, 6, 7, 5. Hmm. 1, 3. Well. Three missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6. 1, 1, 3. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. And a 5. 1, 3, 7, 5. 3, 1, 7, 1, 7. Let me think. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. No. 5, 5, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be here. 6, 7 should be there. 8 and a 9. 7 and a 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 5, 7, and the 9. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. We have a 7 and a 9 here, so no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. So one digit left should be the 5. Okay. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I have marked those two boxes with a 5. But I see we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. Okay. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, 5 in that row. So the middle row, the only two places for the 5 could be here, could be there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Now we have an 8 here, so this can be 8 anymore. This box should be the 8, and this should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. Alright, 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. Okay. 1 number left in this row. The middle row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Okay, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then how about 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then, yeah. 2. Oh, wait. 1. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, the 3. 1, the 2 is missing. 2, and the 4. 4 could be everywhere. How about these 2, 4, and the 6, 6. 4, 4. 1, 1, 3. 3, and the 7, 7. About these 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, so 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the last column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this first row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2. No, not 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. 1 and the 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Yes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. So they need to switch these two Sudokus because it's not a 4-star Sudoku. This is rather a 3-star Sudoku, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a tectonic and a binary one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.